Now, let us have another example. Example number 5. R minus 3 over R squared plus R minus 2 plus 2R plus 1 and then 2R squared plus 7R plus 6. We have the two rational expressions to be added. They have different denominators, so we have to find for the LCM, which will be our LCD. Now, factor the first denominator, R squared plus R minus 2, and this is equal to R plus 2 and R minus 1. Check the factors. R times R, R squared. R times negative 1 is negative R, plus 2R is R. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. So the second denominator, 2R squared plus 7R plus 6. We have 2R squared. There is no 2R squared. We will write it here. 2R. 2R squared divided by 2R have an R. And there's a 6. This 2, this negative 1. This will not be a negative 1 because this is positive. So both should be positive. So this will be positive. So R plus 2. And then if this is 2, this must be 3. Let us check. R times 2R is 2R squared. R times 3 is 3R. 2 times 2R is 4R. Plus 3R, 7R. 2 times 3 is 6. So the LCD will be R plus 2, R minus 1, and 2R plus 3. They write the LCD. R plus 2, R minus 1, 2R plus 3. LCD divided by the denominator, and the factors of this denominator are R plus 2 and R minus 1. So we can divide this out. What remains will be 2R plus 3. Then multiplied by R minus 3. And then the next, LCD divided by the denominator. Factors are R plus 2 and 2R plus 3. So quotient of R minus 1 times 2R plus 1 plus 2R plus 1 times R minus 1. Now, use the FOIL. In the numerator, we have 2R times R is 2R squared. 2R times negative 3 is negative 6R. 3 times R is positive 3R. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Plus 2R times R is 2R squared. 2R times negative 1, you have negative 2R. 1 times R is positive R. 1 times negative 1, negative 1. All over, LCD R plus 2, R minus 1, 2R plus 3. Combine like terms, 2R squared plus 2R squared is 4R squared. Combining this, we will have a negative 3R. And then combining this also, we will have a negative R. Combine negative 3R and negative R, we have a negative 4R. And then negative 9, negative 1, negative 10. All over R plus 2, R minus 1, 2R plus 3. Now, there's a common factor of 2, so we can divide out 2. 2R squared minus 2R minus 5 all over R plus 2, R minus 1, 2R plus 3. Now, can we factor this? Negative 5 is divisible by negative 1. Negative 5 cannot be divided by 2, nor 3. So let us check if this r minus 1 is a factor of 2r squared minus 2r minus 5. 2r squared minus 2r minus 5. So, suppose we have a factor of r minus 1. So we have 2r squared divided by r is 2r. Negative 5 divided by negative 1 is positive 5. Check. 2r times 2r is 2r squared. r times 5 is 5r. Minus 2r, that will be positive 3r, which is not the middle term. Therefore, we cannot factor this. So our final answer will be 2 times the quantity 2r squared minus 2r minus 5 all over r plus 2 times r minus 1 times 2r plus 3.